In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Buy It Now button color on your Shopify store. Making your Buy It Now button stand out with a refreshing new color can significantly impact the visual appeal of your store and possibly even your sales. It offers a visual cue that can attract the attention of your customers, encouraging them to click on it and proceed with their purchase. So, let's get started on customizing this crucial element. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to the Online Store section in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear. Here, you'll want to select Themes. Your current active theme will appear on the next page, accompanied by several options, including an Actions button. Click this Actions button to reveal another drop-down and choose Edit Code. This is where the magic happens and you'll be making adjustments to your theme's code. Now, once you're in the Edit Code section, look to the list of files on the left-hand side. We're interested in finding a CSS file, often labeled as theme.scss.liquid or something similar, depending on your theme. These files control the style elements of your Shopify store. Click on it to open the file. This is where you'll be adding some code to change the button color. Before proceeding, take a moment to remember that handling code requires care. So, it's a good idea to take a backup of your theme, just in case you may need to restore it later. You can do this by duplicating your theme from the Themes page before making any edits. Next, scroll to the very bottom of the CSS file you opened. We'll add custom CSS here. You can start by typing a comment, something like custom button color, to indicate what this section is about. Now, we'll define the style for the button. Type in the following code, .btn. btn primary, background color, FF0000, replacing FF0000 with the hex code of your desired color. By specifying the hex code, you have complete control over the color choice, letting you match or complement your store's existing design perfectly. After adding your desired color code, hit Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. After saving your changes, it's time to preview your store to see the new look. Head back to your Shopify dashboard and click on the eye icon next to your current theme to view your store. Navigate to a product page and check out your new Buy It Now button color in action. If the outcome is not as expected, you can always go back and tweak the color code. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Buy It Now button with a fresh, new color. Remember, standing out with vivid visual elements while maintaining a coherent design through consistent color schemes can play a huge role in making your store appealing and functional. Thanks for joining, and happy selling on show!